Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Manarino. It is Monday, yes, my post-market wrap-up. Just going to be lovely on this December 23rd, 2019. But before we even begin, I want to share with you my ugly Christmas sweater. You ready? What do you think? Is this killer or what? Believe it or not, this past Friday, I entered myself and this lovely sweater in an ugly sweater contest, ugly Christmas sweater contest. I did not win. I think I should have won. This is pretty cool. Anyway, so now that we got the ugly Christmas sweater out of the way, let's get back to business here. Yeah, just like I said yesterday in my Markets a Look Ahead segment, new record highs for the stock market. Isn't that just special? Yeah, it is. And we're not done. We're not done. We're freaking not done here, people, despite the fact that we got abysmal, no more than that, whatever the word might be. Yeah, disgusting economic news today. Stocks hit new record highs. Not just one round of bad economic news, but several. And we're going to cover that. So just as I have been explaining to you since time immemorial, the gap here between our economy, which is in free fall, and the stock market is going to continue to get wider until it doesn't. So the first thing we found out today, business investment spending continues to fall. Now this, again, is another thing you should not be surprised about. I explained to you, I don't know, a couple of years ago that this trend would continue, and it's going to. So what does this mean? If businesses are not investing in themselves to grow, well, what are they going to do? They're going to close. They're going to not hire people. They're going to lay people off. I mean, it's an incredible thing. The second piece of bad economic news we got, and this is a bad one, durable goods orders cratered. Not only did durable goods orders crater, but obviously if we're not making these things, we're not shipping them. So shipments of durable goods orders also, fell off of a cliff. Now, I want to talk about this too. 2019 has been a record year, sadly, for store closures. Now, I know you're all going to say, oh, it's because of Amazon. Everyone's still spending. The economy is strong because the president said so. Okay, well, Amazon, as of yet, has not started selling cars. 2019 has also been a banner year for auto factory closures and auto factory layoffs. So let's blame that on Amazon too, right? No. Our economy is crashing. People are not allowed to know what's going on underneath to keep it propped up. I outline this for you every day. But again, the average dumbed down beyond the point of like people can't walk and chew gum at the same time individual out there, they think everything is great because the stock market is hitting record highs. Yeah, that's the distraction. Don't look at what's happening to the economy. No. Economy, free fall. Because the stock market keeps going up. Yeah. And this trend will continue right into next year until it doesn't. That's where we are at, people. Let's talk about a few other assets. Cryptocurrencies fell under pressure today. Metals did nothing. Crude oil caught a bid. I mean, it's the risk on. It's the risk on trade. It's the risk on environment. You know that. That's where we are. And that's where we will remain here for the foreseeable future, as long as the Fed is here to backstop this market. And not only are they here to backstop the market, they are going to go hyper, super, beyond nuclear They have no choice. Again, without the Federal Reserve here faking the market, we're done. Stock market will lose 60 to 70% of its value. How's that? 60 to 70% of its value. So, what am I telling you? Right now, the stock market is 60 to 70% overvalued. Now, it's not just me lately who's screaming from rooftops about stock market valuations. You got members of the Confederacy of Dunces. They're coming out talking about stupid stock market valuations. Again, nothing is real here. And the stock market is so overvalued that it's going to overcorrect. So if we're 60 to 70% overvalued with regard to the stock market, you do the math. Where do you think the major indices are going to end up at one point? Because that's where they're going. For now, we ride the freaking wave. For now, we put our cash into suppressed assets. It could not be easier. We know exactly what to do. Period. The end. Now today was, although we did finish in new record territory, it was a nothing day for me. I made $240 today trading. I consider that a nothing day for me, quite honestly, but a profit nonetheless. The market opened higher and kind of stayed flat the entire day. No movement. If you're trading calls and or puts, you need some movement. If you're trading credit spreads, you don't need movement. Anyway, that's where we are, people. Now listen, tomorrow is a shortened trading day, and then Wednesday for Christmas, the market is closed. This guy is not going to be back for the next couple of days. I'm taking tomorrow off. I am taking Christmas off. I will see all of you on Thursday, and I want all of you to have the merriest of Christmases, merriest of holidays, however you celebrate it. Just remember my favorite three things, and I'm going to say it here. Love each other, care about each other, and be charitable. This guy, we'll see you Thursday. I'm out of here, me and my ugly sweater.